We're making a delicious garlic bread crispy chicken Parmesan sub sandwich. Take our nicely breaded chicken breast, put that right in there. Okay, let's give her a flip. It's been about 2 minutes. Okay, that's about done. Let's shut off our burner. Okay, let's get that out of there. And we're going to go ahead and toast our bun. Yep. Okay, let's see how our bun's doing. And we'll take our garlic butter and we'll spread some of that on there. Yeah, I think we better cut our bun in half, because now we're going to take our beautiful chicken and we're going to go ahead and put that right on top of that bun. Some of our marinara sauce and put it right on top. Some of our mozzarella cheese. Take some of our diced tomatoes. A little more Parmesan cheese. Yep. Look at the size of that. It's huge. Let's see if we can grab a piece. Yeah. Alright, let's just have a little bite. Mmm. Good.